Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 533. If you're seeing Roblox Error Code 533 with a message, your privacy setting prevents you from joining the server, do not worry. This error usually appears when your account's privacy setting, parental controls or the access requirement prevent you from joining a server. So firstly open the Roblox app and make sure you've already signed into your account. So simply select more icon in the bottom right. And from here you need to go to the setting here, and under the setting what you need to do is you need to select this privacy and content restriction in the top, and from here you need to select this visibility and private servers, and under this private servers you need to select that. So here a private server is a Roblox game with limits on who can join. You can select everyone, friends, followers and people you follow, and you can also add as a member of their private sector server, and you can go back and here you can go to this parental control in the top, and over here if you have set up account restriction you need to enable it, and that is it. That's how you can fix Roblox Error Code 533. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.